Someone else controls your Amazon listing title, not you. Find out who, or it keeps reverting. Here's what's actually happening. Every listing runs on a contribution hierarchy. Whoever has the highest contribution on that ASIN controls the title, not whoever created the listing, not whoever owns the brand. Standard seller, no brand registry. Anyone with higher contribution can override you. You're at the bottom. Brand registry ranks higher, but you're still not automatically the winner. Another seller on the same brand with higher contribution beats you, even if it's your brand. And if Amazon sells that ASIN, retail contribution sits above everyone. Your update won't stick, period. That's why your title keeps reverting. Someone above you in this hierarchy is winning every time. When you contact support, your outcome depends entirely on whether that associate understands the contribution system. A trained associate tells you who has higher contribution and what to do next. An untrained one gives you nothing. You try again. It reverts again. You reopen the case. Different associate, same incomplete answer. Every reopened case starts the queue from zero. The title isn't broken. The explanation you're getting is broken. First, accept someone else has higher contribution on this ASIN. That's your starting point, not a bug. Second, no brand registry contribution. Standard only. Support can directly update the title once you give them the right information. Fastest fix. Third, brand registry contribution exists. Support can't make the change. They identify who holds higher contribution. You contact them directly. Fourth, Amazon holds retail contribution. No standard workaround. It won't stick. Know which scenario applies. That tells you exactly what to do next. Your listing title was never broken. You just weren't told who controls it. Subscribe to EcomClarity. This is where it gets explained the way it actually works. Has this happened to your listing? Comment below.